At this unprecedented time, creativity might just be the most important skill humans possess. Modual, the University of the Arts London's collaborative online workshop, has been empowering our students to create positive change and to develop their skill set as they do so since 2015. In July, we are opening the workshop to external participants. Modual, Open Futures, invites students, graduates, and the curious-minded to come together and use their creativity to address the climate emergency and a post-COVID world. Over 2 weeks, you will imagine, develop and pitch innovative projects for positive change. Expand your skills through first-hand experience of the creative process and have fun working collaboratively. Mentorship will come from our UAL team, alongside our expert partners. And your final projects will be unveiled in an online pitch event to academia, industry and the general public. How can creativity generate the positive change we need right now? What could our new normal look like? Find out. Take part in Modual Open Futures, July 2020. For more information, visit modual.org. Our future needs your creativity.